Namaskaram, everyone. Namaskaram, Tarun. So glad to see all of you coming for tonight's meditation session. We will wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in. And how has been your weekend? Please let me know in the comment section how was your weekend, how did you feel, what you had been doing. Namaskaram, Priyanka Daryani, glad to see you again. We will get started with our meditation as soon as possible. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for people to jump in. Great. Tarun is saying his weekend has been fine. Fantastic, everyone. Great. It seems like a lot of people have been enjoying the weekend a lot, hence we are seeing a lot less people in number today, isn't it? Great. Today we are doing the 13th guided meditation session. Namaskaram, Akanksha, Arunima. So glad to see you again. Welcome back. We have people slowly reaching out. Great. Also, people, I would like you to share this session with your friends or in your Instagram. Let people jump in if they want. Namaskaram, Urvashi, Ankit. Welcome to the 13th guided meditation session. Namaskaram, Yogeshwari Kanoje. Glad to see you again. Great. For those people who are coming here for the first time, again I'll tell you again that we host this session every night around 10 p.m. Indian time, and I am Hitesh Goel from the Weekend Yogi. I take care of all the posts, I take care of all the content that you see on this channel, and yes, it's always great to share this lovely content with you and these tools with you. Weekend Yogi is all about making your everyday the weekend. Let me know in the comment section, people, which session is this for you? Are you coming here for the first time, second time, or are you coming here for the 13th time? Also, let me know if you can hear me properly and sound quality is good. Namaskaram, it's _HVB. Glad to see you again. Namaskaram, Swaharat. Fantastic to see you again. Yes, Yogeshwari, we do it every night. We have been doing it for the last 13 nights actually. Today is the 13th night. Great, Tarun. Welcome for the first time. Great, Sneak Fire, coming for the second time. Swaharat, fantastic. 9th or the 10th time, fantastic. Akanksha, Arunima, please make sure you just sign up on the website. You will receive an email very soon. Yogeshwari coming here for the third time. Urvashi for the first time, fantastic. Tarunar coming for the first time, fantastic. So these 10 minutes are only going to be about spending time with yourself. We will start it very soon, and we are already 3 to 4 minutes started. We'll get started very soon. Great. Before I start the session, here are few instructions for all those who are coming for the first time. You are required to be in a sitting position or you can sit in a cross-legged position as well. I am sitting in a cross-legged position, that's the best. You can even lay down on the bed. Also make sure you keep your palms facing upwards on your thigh. Loose and relaxed. There should be no stiffness on your shoulders or on your arms. And also make sure if you are laying down, your palms are facing towards the sky and beside your body. If you are sitting, keep your spine comfortably erect. You don't need to be slouchy or you don't have to be too erect. Just keep it comfortable and comfortably erect, straight. Keep your head straight, your shoulders relaxed and your palms on your thighs. No stiffness. You have to focus on my voice, nothing else, and we will get started. Before I give you a moment to adjust yourself, let me know in the comment section if you are ready for tonight's guided meditation session. Give me a thumbs up or show me some love. I'll get started. Sorry guys, there was some technical issues. Great. It looks like I'm receiving some thumbs up. 4, 5, we have 5, 6 thumbs up, 7, okay, 8, 9, and one more, 10. Okay, fantastic. We have 10 people ready for tonight's session. I want you to set an intention for yourself. Just focus on my voice and I will guide you through the process. You don't have to worry about what to do. And tonight's meditation is somewhat going to be little special and little tough, but it's going to be fantastic. Now take a moment to adjust yourself. Be seated or lay down. Be comfortable. And I will put down the comment section so that you can just focus on my voice. Keep a focus on my voice. Slowly and gently lower your gaze. Close your eyes. Gently, slowly lower your gaze. Close your eyes. Focus on my voice and bring your awareness to your surroundings. Slowly and gently observe your surroundings and gradually bring your focus to my voice. You don't have to worry for anything. Just bring your awareness slowly to my voice. Adjust yourself and make yourself comfortable and relaxed. We will begin with taking a few deep inhalation. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale slowly through your mouth. Take one more deep inhalation, a complete inhalation through your nose. And exhale slowly and gently through your mouth. Take another deep breath and this time hold it. Hold it and exhale. Feel the air touching your lips. Find your body relaxing and feeling stiff free. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace and stillness. Your mind may wander, your thoughts may roam around. Gradually and gently bring the focus back to my voice. Keep breathing naturally and observe the natural breathing pattern. There might be a couple of thoughts gushing through your mind, but let them flow. Just observe. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace and stillness. Notice your body is relaxing and flowing with the voice and the music. We will begin the journey within our thoughts and emotions. Take an inhalation, breathe in positivity, joyfulness, and exhale any toxic thoughts. Feel and notice the positivity spreading across your body. What I want you to do now is think of your mind as a machine to print out all the thoughts, emotions, feelings like a machine. I want you to play back a series of thoughts. Let your mind think of anything. Just keep an observation. Where are you going? You may think of any old memory, your friend, your father, your girlfriend, your partner, thinking randomly and visualize a theater, a screen showing you all these moments one after the other, quickly changing. Just observe your thoughts, your memories, and your emotions on a screen. When I ask you to stop, just stop at that memory. Keep rotating, make it fast. Let your mind wander and think aggressively. Stop. Stop at your current memory. Stop at your current thoughts. See what's going on the picture. Are you feeling frustrated? Just observe. You don't have to do anything. Just observe the current thoughts or the memory you are stopped. See what's happening and resume. Again, let these memories come back one after the other, one after the other. Let them come. Follow your mind. It's going wild, crazy, and wandering. Let it think of anything. Let it be wild and see how you are just observing, acknowledging, and moving on. One more time. Stop. Stop at the current memory. You might be crying. You might be shouting. You might be so happy. Just observe the current memory. Visualize and picturize it. You don't have to do anything. Just watch it on the television or the theater screen. Visualize. How are you feeling? Now switch off this screen. Switch off this screen or the theater or the television. Take a deep inhalation and exhale. Relax. Say it to yourself mentally. I am the master of my own memory. Say it to yourself. I am the master of my own memory. At your own time, at your own pace, open up your eyes. Open up your eyes. Welcome back, everyone. how was tonight's session with you? What are your feelings right now? What are you feeling currently? Just let me know in the comment section. How are you feeling? How was the energy? How was the session? Let me know in the comment section. I will be loving to see your comments. How did you find it? And a fantastic news for all of you. You had your eyes closed for more than 11 minutes. Great Swaha. Fantastic session. Great. Great Sneak Fire. Great Kumar Shiva. Great Rudra. Fantastic to see you. Great, it's underscore HVB. Yes, I hope it released your exam tension. Thank you, Preeti Goresia. Great, fantastic. Great. It's so fine and fantastic to see all of this energy coming up. Now, there are two things I want you to do. First thing is, I want you to comment thank you to me, not me, but to yourself. I want you to say thank you to yourself. Just say thank you to yourself, because you have taken this opportunity for yourself to spend these 10 to 12 minutes with yourself. Isn't it great? Say thank you to yourself in the comment section. Show some gratefulness and gratitude to your own efforts. I'm so grateful to see all of you doing this for yourself. This is the first thing I want you to do. All of those who have felt great, just put down in the comment section. Say thank you to yourself. You deserve this thank you. Great Shiv, yes. Great Sneak Fire. Rudra Sharma, thank you to yourself. I am just a facilitator, nothing else. You did it for yourself. You walked the journey. Say thank you to yourself. Everyone, thank you just to yourself. I'm so grateful to see all of you sharing this lovely, positive, and fantastic energy with the whole Weekend Yogi family. I could feel and sense it myself. And it feels so great coming every night, sharing this love with you. Great. The second thing I want you to do is, after this session, I want you to drink half a glass of water. It's always better to drink half a glass of water after doing meditation, or drink some water. It's nothing specific about half a glass. You can drink 1 glass also, but drink some water. Great. Fantastic. So everyone, those who want to see a replay of all the sessions which we had earlier, we have had total 13 sessions so far. I will be putting them up on the weekendyogi.com and also on our YouTube channel. So make sure you do the free sign up on weekendyogi.com. You will stay connected and you'll stay informed of every other thing I will be doing on this channel, and you will be getting to know it fast. Make sure you sign up on the weekendyogi.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Even though if you don't want to subscribe or sign up, just make sure you spend time with yourself. We have to gain back the lost awareness which we have done, and we are responsible for ourselves, isn't it? So, namaskaram everyone. Good night. See you for the next time. Please comment down good night or namaskaram. I'll give you a shout out and I'll say namaskaram to each one who's commenting here. I'll wait for a moment. There seems to be a kind of lag between when I'm speaking and when you're commenting. Namaskaram, Rudra Sharma, fantastic to see you. Please come again. Good night and namaskaram, Sneak Fire 7. Namaskaram, Preeti Goresia. Good night, Shiv. Fantastic to see you. Namaskaram, yoga underscore sparkles. Good night and namaskaram, Yogeshwari Kanoje. Keep coming every night. Namaskaram, Shailu Gunjal. See you. Namaskaram and good night, Akanksha Arunima. Great. Just last quick announcement. In the evening tomorrow or in the morning, I will be playing soothing music or just focus concentration music live on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to the Weekend Yogi channel, YouTube channel. I'll be hosting a free live music, whatever I play on the YouTube channel. Just make sure you can find it. Namaskar. Good night.